It's the grand opening of a pilot project that is signaling a bright new future for the recycling of lithium-ion batteries, and it's happening in Texas. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries are powering consumer electronics, electric vehicles, energy storage, and robotics in unprecedented numbers. The industry is experiencing exponential growth and will represent a $27 billion industry by 2030. However, recycling these batteries is a global environmental problem. They contain toxic materials and 95% of them end up in landfills. Princeton NuEnergy is leading the way by developing a first-of-its-kind solution, a direct recycling technology, which reduces recycling costs in half, produces significantly lower waste products and CO2 emissions, and rejuvenates cathode and anode active materials directly into new battery production.
It's a very big day to me, I think to PNE, to Wistron, and also I think this is a big day to entire lithium battery recycling market, because this is the first directly recycling plant in the world. So that's why it is a big day. This is a very different with the traditional recycling technology. It's a truly advanced manufacturing.
PNE is partnering with global Fortune 500 company Wistron, one of the largest consumer electronics device recyclers and original equipment manufacturers in the United States. The pilot production line will be housed in the 209,000 square foot Wistron GreenTech recycling hub in McKinney, Texas. Backed by the Department of Energy, PNE is an exciting prospect for investors, manufacturers, scientists, and political leaders who are embracing cost-effective solutions to reduce the carbon footprint, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, eliminate rare metal mining, and develop sustainable, eco-friendly supply chains of essential elements like lithium, cobalt, nickel, and manganese.
I mean, we have to start recycling, reclaiming these lithium-ion batteries and reutilizing those valuable and critical metals like cobalt, nickel, manganese, lithium. But we need to do that, first of all, obviously a cost-effective way, but more importantly, in a green way, because we're talking about the electrification of manufacturing, all kinds of ways to use renewable energy, green technology. So it's very important that our direct recycling process has a tremendous environmental impact. Here's
how it works. While traditional battery recycling requires high levels of heat or the use of toxic acids, PNE has patented a revolutionary, low-temperature plasma-assisted direct lithium-ion battery recycling process, which shreds the batteries, separates the components without chemically damaging the cathode and anode materials, and rejuvenates them to achieve battery-grade, commercial-level quality. The end products can be used directly to manufacture new batteries without having to go through many additional manufacturing steps.
It's going to be a game changer for the battery recycling industry. Very excited. So after almost 2 years hard working by the engineering team, we finally make this happen. It's our very important milestone from the lab scale technology to mass production. So we're very excited.
Before I came into the Senate, I was actually a teacher. I taught high school math and physics, so I was a STEM teacher. And what I see in this company is really exciting because it's kind of a STEM teacher's dream of watching the academic, the research side come together and partner hand in hand with the pragmatic side, the real world application, and then actually solve something that is a real challenge for where we are in our country today with the battery recycling.
Analysis by Argonne National Lab indicates that direct recycling processes use up to 70% less energy, significantly reducing emissions that contribute to climate change, while using no volatile organic compounds or toxic solvents. The goal of PNE's pilot program is to finalize modular design configurations and scale to the next factory, a 10,000-ton recycling plant in 2023. This will be followed with construction of an additional 20 production lines nationwide by 2028. PNE expects to be a leader in this $27 billion battery recycling market, working closely with electric vehicle original equipment manufacturers, cell manufacturers, producers of consumer electronic devices, and energy storage companies.
When we take these batteries and we recycle them, first off, we're not having batteries end up in landfills. So we're not contaminating groundwater, we're not contaminating the soils wherever we're dumping these batteries. So that's foremost and most important. The second thing is you get back these materials. Some of these materials are quite valuable, particularly things like cobalt. They only exist in a few parts of the world, so having a supply here in the US is very important to the electric vehicle market in the future.
If we can solve the problem, this is very good for the future, for the next generation. They have better life and also better environments.
Direct recycling is here to stay. By partnering with energy-rich and business-friendly Texas, PNE is doing its part to put a charge in the new high-tech manufacturing and energy economy needed for a sustainable and eco-friendly future.